Good morning everyone. This is video number 16, subject English, standard 10th for the English medium students. Up to now I have completed superlative degree, comparative degree and positive degree. It means common information I have given up to now of each degree. So from today I will start how to convert from one degree to another, right? So today I have taken first how to change or convert from positive degree to comparative degree. From today I will start how to convert from positive degree to comparative degree. There are some common rules. Let's see the first rule, that is exchange the subject. First one is exchange the subject. Now see, positive degree example or sentence is given. When you turn from PD to CD, as I told you, I will speak short forms, right? PD means positive degree and CD means comparative degree. So, if one sentence is given, in that you will have two subjects. One subject in the beginning and second subject in the last. So, you need to exchange the subject. You need to exchange the subject. This is first rule. After all rules, I will explain with example, so you will come to know. So first rule is exchange the subject. Two will be given that you are going to change. Second, no need to change pronoun. No need to change pronoun. Now, in active passive I told you, if I then me, if you then you, if he then him. But here there will be no change in pronoun. There will be no change in pronoun. You know there are 7 pronouns: I, we, you, they, he, she, it, right? So out of 7 pronoun, if pronoun is given in the form of subject I, or here I, or here she, or here she, then no need to change like active passive. It means you will write I then I, she then she. No need to change if pronoun is given in the form of subject, right? Now, third rule is, if positive degree is positive, then comparative degree will be negative. And if positive degree is negative itself, then comparative degree will be positive. See, vice versa. Third rule is, if positive degree is positive, then comparative degree will be negative. If positive degree will be negative, then comparative degree will be positive. See, positive, negative, negative, positive. Means you have to see vice versa, right? If positive, negative. If negative, positive. That you have to keep in mind. Only in positive degree and comparative degree. Keep in mind only in positive degree and comparative degree. You will check it out. Positive, negative, negative, positive. But one more confusion in that also, that this is for two things. This is for two things. For example, if I am just saying sentence is given of positive degree, positive, then we will turn it to negative. For two things mostly, right? But 99%, if there is similarity between more than two things or comparison between more than two things, then mostly this rule will not be valid, though positive, though comparative. Then this rule will not be valid. 99% this rule will be valid for two things, but if 1%, then for this rule is not valid. I will give you one example, you will come to know. Fourth one is remove, because see, when you turn from PD to CD, you need to remove as adjective, as and not so adjective as. See, you need to remove as adjective as, and you need to remove not so adjective as, right? Because we will turn into comparative degree. So we will just see. Let's have a look one time. Then I will talk about 5, 6, 7. There are 7 rules. So first one is action the subject. Second, no need to change pronoun. Though I, then I. She, then she. Then positive degree is positive. Then comparative will be negative. If positive degree is negative itself, then comparative will be positive, especially for 2 things. And if 2 things not given, then if more than 2 things comparison, then we will see this rule can be valid or not. Then we will see. And fourth one is remove as adjective as and not so adjective as, because we will add something else for comparative degree. Let's have a look. Alright, now we have seen 4th rule. Let's have a look 5th rule. If we delete so adjective as for negative and as adjective as for positive, then what to add when we convert from positive to comparative degree? Let's see that we need to add er plus adjective. See, in common information I have already given, right? Again I am repeating. We need to write er plus adjective if adjective is small. If adjective is big, then we need to write more plus adjective. Either er plus adjective or more plus adjective. Out of these two, one we will take. If small adjective, er plus adjective. If big adjective, more plus adjective, right? After that, we will write then. After that, we will write then. This is for if comparison between 2 things. If comparison between 2 things. See, let me repeat very slowly. If when we delete so adjective as, when we delete as adjective as, we will write er plus adjective if adjective is small, and if adjective is big, we will write more plus adjective. Either this or this plus then. If there is comparison between 2 things or 2 person. Now 6th number rule is we need to write same thing, er plus adjective or more plus adjective. This will be same because comparison between 2, this will be same, this will be same, only backside will be changed. So here we need to write then many or any other. Here we need to write then many other or then any other. That I will tell you when can you add any and where can you add many, right? So see, er plus adjective, stronger, smaller, bigger, right? I told you er you need to add, and more plus adjective if adjective is big, and er plus adjective if adjective is small, right? Then if between 2 things, then we need to add then, and here more than 2 things, more than 2 things, then we need to add then many or any other if comparison between more than 2 things. That keep in mind. What to delete? As adjective as, so adjective as. What to add? Er plus adjective, more plus adjective, plus then if comparison between more than 2, then we need to add then many other. Between 2, then more than 2, then many other, or then any other, right? And 7 number last rule, I am talking about first method. Do you remember? In a previous video I told you 4 methods from which degree to which degree. This is first method and first rules of how to convert from positive degree to comparative degree, right? 7 rule is, just imagine is, am, are given as a verb. Then we were writing is not, am not, are not, because if positive we will turn into negative, is not, am not, are not. But just imagine if there is main verb or s or es at the end of the verb, or if there is past form. See, instead of is, am, are, you know is, am, are, they are auxiliaries. But if auxiliaries are not given, main verb given, s or es given, play, plays, played, past form ed given, then we need to write here do not for negative. Here we need to write does not for negative, and here we need to write did not for negative. I am talking about when we turn from positive degree to comparative, and if positive degree is positive itself, when we turn into negative for comparative, that time if main verb then do not, if s or es then does not, and if past form then did not, right? That only you have to keep in mind. Let me revise all the rules. Exchange the subject. Two subject will be given. Exchange the subject. Second thing, delete so adjective as, delete as adjective as, right? And then you need to remember add er plus adjective or more plus adjective, plus then if comparison between two things. Same way, er plus adjective or more plus adjective, then many other if comparison between more than two things. And this for small adjective, this for small adjective, and this more plus adjective if adjective is big, right? Then you will use more plus adjective. I have already given the example, right? More beautiful, more hardworking, more intelligent. So that time you can use more plus adjective, especially in comparative degree, right? And then is, am, are given, then don't forget you need to write is not, am not, are not. But if main verb given, you need to write do not. If s or es, you need to write does not. And if past form given, you need to write did not. I hope you have understood that how many rules I have explained? 7 rules. For what? PD into CD. It means positive degree into comparative. 7 rules. Same rules are there for comparative into positive. But let's understand with example from PD to CD which are rules that I explained. Let's follow in the... Alright, after the rules, let me just tell you that if example is given, what to check first. Just imagine, in the exam one sentence is given. Then, first of all, what to check? Which degree is that? First of all, what to check? Which degree is that? After checking that, you have to see sentence is positive or negative. What is first? Check it out which degree it is. For example, this is positive degree. Then check it out that sentence is positive or negative, right? Third, exchange the subject. Let's see. I told you we will have 2 subjects, an ass and the horse. We have 2 subjects, right? So let's exchange the subject. It means this subject will go last and this subject will go first, right? The horse, then after verb, and this sentence is negative, so our comparative degree will be positive. See, this is positive degree, negative itself, so comparative degree will be positive, right? So the horse is, because negative, so positive is, then after what is our rule? Er at the end of the adjective, right? So here which is adjective? This is very important. You need to find out where is adjective. So here strong is an adjective. So we need to add er at the end of the adjective. Horse is stronger. Horse is stronger. What to add? Then. See, as and horse. We have comparison between two things. And as and horse, right? But if comparison between more than two things, then we need to write than many other. But here we have comparison between two and as and horse. So we need to write only then. The horse is stronger than an as. See, from beginning I have taken simple example, right? The horse is stronger than an as. Here see, an horse is not so strong as the horse. It means it is not stronger than as, and here the same meaning. The horse is stronger than an as, right? So keep in mind we need to add er at the end of the adjective. If negative, positive. If positive, negative. And if adjective is big, here if hardworking given, then we need to write more hardworking. If big, bigger, short, shorter, right? In which you can add er, you need to add er at the end of the adjective. And if adjective is long, then we need to write more plus adjective, right? Let's have a look. Second example. Valsad is as famous as Navsari. See, what did I tell you first? Check it out that where are the subjects? Valsad and Navsari. These two are subjects. Then sentence as, adjective as. So this is positive degree. We will turn into comparative. Let's see. This sentence is positive or negative? Not is not given, right? So this sentence is positive. We will turn into negative. Let's start with our answer. Navsari is, we will turn into negative because negative question is positive, so answer should be negative. Navsari is not. Now here see, famous. Here we have written er. Here you cannot write famer, right? Famous or whatever. So here we need to write more. Is not more famous. If adjective is like that, in which you cannot add er, you need to write more plus adjective. Simply positive, negative, second adjective small, then er. If adjective is difficult or long, then more. See, more famous, then we need to add then our second subject, that is Valsad. You just see from beginning, because this is a beginning, that's why I am taking very simple example. Just see two subject, check it out positive, then comparative degree will be negative. If positive degree will be positive, then comparative degree will be negative. Second thing you need to keep in mind, exchange the subject. See, the Navsari is last. In answer, Navsari is first. And Valsad is first in question. Then Valsad will be last. Here not is not given. We have added. And then after, whichever, as, so, as. In between whichever word will be there, that will be your adjective. Keep in mind, if you are unable to find adjective, then as, adjective as, so, adjective as. So in between you will find adjective. Then easily you can come to know that more plus adjective or adjective plus er, then according to our rule, more then adjective, then you need to write plus then if comparison between two. After this one example I am going to give you, that is if comparison between more than two. Keep in mind, if comparison between two, we will write then. But if comparison between more than two, then what to add? Then many other. What to add? Then many other. Let's have one example of if comparison between more than two. See, very few singers sing as skillfully as Lata. Let me just rub the last one so I can easily explain. See, first and second example I took to show if comparison between two things. One thing, second thing. If there is comparison, then you need to add then. Here one example I have taken. In that I will show you if comparison between more than two things. See, singers and Lata. Lata's comparison with so many singers. Lata's comparison with so many singers. So here comparison between more than two things. So let's change the subject. Here same thing. Only one mistake or one major problem, that is here you will not see that positive, negative, negative, positive. Why? Because here comparison between more than two people or comparison between more than two things. So here might be possible or cannot be possible. So here see, Lata is famous, that we know, Lata Mangeshkar, everybody knows. But mostly 99% if comparison between more than two things, then we will not check positive, negative, negative, positive. If comparison between two, we will check that we need to write or not, right? Positive, negative. But here 99% will not be there, positive, negative. So let's write our answer. Subject singer Lata. Let's exchange Lata. Then after, see, keep in mind very few after there will be plural noun. When we convert from comparative to PD, that time I will tell you. So very few singers sing as skillfully as Lata. Subject we have found. Where is adjective? Skillfully. See, I told you as, adjective as. In between you can find adjective. Here adjective is big, so we need to write more. We cannot write skillful here, right? So Lata sings, here given. See, Lata sings more. I told you adjective is long, so we need to write more. Lata sings more skillfully. Lata sings more skillfully. Keep in mind, sings. Why I have added S? Because Lata. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. You know that I, we, you, they, main verb, he, she, it, S or ES. So Lata is a girl, so we need to write S. Right? More skillfully. After that adjective, then many others. See. Then many others. If comparison between two, we will write only then. If comparison between more than two, then we will write then many others. This is the difference. If comparison between two things, keep in mind. If comparison between two things, we will write only then. If comparison between more than so many things, 4, 5, whatever, then we will write then many other. You need to keep in mind. Other rules are same. That er plus adjective for small adjective and more plus adjective for difficult and long adjective. But then for two comparison and more than two, then you need to write then many other. So here then many other singers. Then many other singers, because subject will be exchanged, right? Now one more thing you have to keep in mind. After then many other, compulsory plural noun will be there. After then many other, compulsory plural noun will be there. Plural means you can find so many. S will be there, right? Then many other singers, then many other students, then many other boys. In short, S you can find, right? So let me repeat last time. if comparison between two, we need to add then. If comparison between more than two, we need to write then many other. And here er plus adjective. If adjective is small, adjective is big, then we need to write more plus adjective. If adjective is difficult, then also when you pronounce, then also more plus adjective. So what to remember? First thing, when you convert from PD to CD, it means from positive degree to comparative, exchange the subject, check it out positive or negative. If comparison between two, more than two, 99% not to check, this is positive or negative. You can see this is also positive, this is also positive. Because if I write here does not, it means Lata Mangeshkar is not singing well. Meaning will be changed. So if comparison between more than two things, 99% we will not check that rule, positive, negative, negative, positive. And these two you need to keep in mind. Then for two people or two things, then many other for more than two things and two people. And this is main. Er plus adjective, more plus adjective. I hope you have understood. Some examples I have given in the worksheet. So properly read the rules. I have given also rules, right? Maybe you can note down, or if you don't want to note down, no problem. Just read, revise and solve the examples that I have given in the worksheet. And remember, first method I have explained, from PD to CD. It means from positive degree, how to convert into comparative degree. Read, enjoy your study. Thank you.